All right, guys, COMFIER sent us something super cool. This is their head massager. And I thought, what better way than to have my dude here have some fun with me with a little head massager. So we're going to put this on and try it out. What do you think? Is it going to feel good? No, we opened it up. I wanted to just see what it was. That is a little head massager. What do you think about that? That's pretty cool.
What is this piece?
So we got little pieces. You got a red light right here, and then which is like a little heat. And then you have these two little pieces. Okay.
These goes right here.
Well, once you take these off, they pop on, and we'll show that in just a minute. But what we're going to do, let's see if we can start it. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see your head real quick. How's that feel?
Good.
Isn't that cool, dude?
Can I try on your head?
Absolutely. Give me a shot. Let's see what it's like. Here we go. What do you think? Whoa. So they do give you a little carrying bag. I'm just getting a little head massage here. They get a little carrying bag, which is super cool. Nice thing. You can travel with it.
Good.
Right? And then you also have a USB to USB-C charging cable right here. Now, let's show them how they will actually... Yep, you're going to hold it down. So it's like 5 seconds. Hold down. Perfect. That was 5 seconds. And then what you do is to pop these off.
Okay,
all you do
can pop them up.
Is just take them off just like that.
Can you put that one back on so I can pop it
Absolutely. We're going to show the world how this happens. It's okay. Here, just put this one on now. So you're just going to pop them off and then pop it right back on. Pretty simple process. Even a 4-year-old can do it. Watch this. Super simple. Can you take them off and I'll put them on? How about that? That's 1. It goes 2, 3, 4. There it is. So you got these 4 little pieces. They do look a little different. This one has like these little spiky things. 5 seconds, remember? There you go. All right, here, try it out. Whoa. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So, at the end of the day, you're able to do a little head massage. I think this would work fine just on the shoulders if you wanted to. Check my shoulder out, see if that works. Nice. Nice. Perfect little massage. Here, I'll get you, dude. I got you. You just sit back and relax. We can make that happen. Nice and easy. Guys, at the end of the day, super cool. What do you think? Is this a pretty cool massager? Should they pick one up? Very simple, easy to charge, easy to make happen. So what do we say?
Check it out.
Check it out.